Today, we're going to be going over something that will help you guys with just overall struggling in the market. I know a lot of people are struggling in the market, but there's also a lot of people that are profitable day trading. So we have to figure out why those people are profitable and why you're not. This video, you guys are going to see a little bit of a rant on how to stay disciplined and just basically what makes people profitable and what makes people not profitable. It's all that mindset, and you guys about to watch it live right now. And on a day like today, I ain't trying to risk money on slow stuff like this, bro. I'm trying to risk money on days like yesterday, days like the day before, you know, hopefully tomorrow. Not on like the slow, like people, it's because people don't have like, people have $100 accounts and they just like, oh, I want to trade this. It's like, bro, once you start getting to the big leagues, you don't want to trade every single thing. You want to preserve your capital, or else you're not going to have that capital to trade with. Because people, like, they'll have $1,000 account. They're like, you know what, I'll just float for it. Like, I don't care. You know, this is $1,000. Like, you know, I'll just trade this and, like, whatever happens, happens. You can't think like that when you get a $10,000 port, $100,000 port, $1 million port. You can't think like that. You have, like, that's the thing. So, a lot of people, when they have, like, $1,000 portfolio, they're like, oh, I don't really care about this money. You know, I'll just, whatever. I'll just put it in here, put it in there. Or, you know, I'll just risk it all. Who cares? Oh, I only made like $20 today. Who cares, you know? But it's like, bro, you gotta make $20 every day consistently to make $50, and then to make $100 a day, and then make $1,000. Because if you're acting like that with $1,000 portfolio, you're not gonna be able to grow that to $10,000. You're not gonna be able to grow that to $50,000. You're not gonna be able to manage $50,000. It's just that's like the biggest problem I see. People that have a smaller account, maybe $5,000, and like, oh, you know what, like, yeah, I'll just get in here. It's like, bro, you have to treat your money like a tool, not treat it like, oh, I don't care if I lose this. No, that it's the trade, bro. You have to, each and every single trade has to be perfectly aligned with your plan, or else you're not going to take it. So why risk capital? Oh, well, I only have $1,000 portfolio, so I really don't care. I'll just risk it. Okay, well, you can't have that mindset when you have $10,000. Oh, well, you know, it's fine. Like, once I have $10,000, I'll be a better trader. They'll have $10,000 in a portfolio. What happens? They blow their entire account because they have the same mindset as they had with a $1,000 portfolio. So it's like, bro, in order to grow your account into where we're at, you have to have that mindset, bro. There's a reason why you don't think I like making money? Why do you think I skip certain trades? You think I just don't like money? Like, there's a reason why I skipped the trade. You think I wouldn't take the trade if I knew that I was going to make money on it? I'm pretty sure we would. So if there's a reason why I didn't take the trade, there's a potential risk that I don't like. Versus if I take the trade, then it's like a very, very high probability that this thing's going to go in our favor. A lot of people are like, oh, you only take 2 trades a day, 3 trades, 4 trades? It's like, bro, if you could optimize the trades the way that we do, you would only need 1 or 2 trades. And the market will tell you how many trades you're going to take for the day. You're not going to tell yourself how many trades. The market is going to tell you exactly how many trades you're going to take. And then it's like, bro, if I only see 2 great setups and it's a choppy day and we took those 2 setups yesterday for 20%, that's literally, number one, that's amazing. That's all you need to consistently be able to do that. But a lot of people, they'll look at that and be like, oh, that's not enough. Well, it's not enough because you're probably down. You're probably 3 for 5 in the day and you have to make up your 2 losses that you took. Versus if we're able to optimize our trades and we just continue 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 winning trades every single day, but that will compound. But a lot of people need to take more because they lose. They're like, oh, you know, I just lost 2, so I need to take 4 trades for today because I just need to cover up my losses. And it's like, bro, that's a horrible way of thinking about it. Like, whatever the market gives you, that's it. It doesn't matter if you took 2 losses. It doesn't matter if you took 2 wins. Whatever the market gives you, it gives you. And it will only give you a certain amount of A+ setups. Some days it'll give us 4. Some days it'll give us none. Some days it'll give us 2, 3. It don't matter. Some days 6 or 7, you know. It's very rare, but it happens. And it's whatever the market gives. A lot of people's mindsets cannot control $100,000. A lot of people think they need more money to trade. I promise you, if I give you $100,000, you're going to blow it. Like, it's just, people think that it's easy. And it's the trading strategy is, but it's just like your mindset is not. You want to have more money. Oh my gosh, I need to make $1,000 for the day. And that's why I don't set a goal. There's no goal. I got no goal. You set a goal, you're going to either limit yourself or you're going to do something dumb. You're like, oh, I need to reach the goal for the day. So it's like, it'll mess you up. If I need to make $1,000 per day and I'm at 800, you're probably going to overtrade just to make $1,000. And if you're over your goal, you're probably not going to take any more trades. But it's literally just based off the chart. And just, I don't know, I see a lot of mistakes. The problem is you, not the strategy. Any strategy is profitable to some extent. As long as it has a 51% win rate and a 1-to-1 risk reward, you should be profitable. But it's just the mindsets that people have and like their mentalities and how they think. It's like very bad. So, I don't know. A lot of people just can't manage stuff. And I hate when people do that on a small account because you'll never grow that account. You'll never be able to add money to it because of your mindset. This is not there. That's not the problem. The problem is your mindset. I'm telling you how it really is. You know, there's no course out there that's going to be able to teach you your mindset. It's literally just you. You have to teach yourself. I'll tell you what helped me, but it's just mindset. It's literally all about mindset. And that's what helped me. I'm just telling you what helped me. That's the thing. And that's why we're so successful in here, because we're telling you how it really is. Oh, yeah, making money is an action. Keeping money is behavior. Growing money is knowledge. Like I said earlier, you have $1,000 portfolio. In order to grow that, you're going to have some sort of knowledge. In order to keep it, it's your behavior. It's all discipline, bro. Keeping your money is all discipline. Making money, all you got to do is click a button. You can make money or lose money. But actually being able to keep it profitably as a trader takes discipline. It's your behavior. And then just growing the money compounded and continue to be profitable, getting your win rate up, that just takes a lot of just knowledge, education. You could be out profitable. That's the thing. I don't care. Like, you have to think about it this way. I don't want it to come off as rude, but you should not care about other people making money on a day like today, and that shouldn't impact you. It's amazing to see other people make money, but it shouldn't mess with your mindset. You know, it's amazing, right? Like, let's say Vegas made like $10,000 today. It's amazing. It's awesome. But that shouldn't impact you and influence your decisions to start to take some trades or something because someone else did. It's amazing they made money, but it's not an influence to what you're doing. And I see a lot of people, oh, this guy took 15 trades. I need to make another trade. I need to take this. I need to take that. And it's like, bro, what they take and what you take shouldn't impact what you take. It's not like, that's not how it works at all. You know, it's amazing, right? Let's say I made money on the day and you didn't make anything on the day. Let's say I took a trade and you didn't. That should not impact you and influence you to take a trade. Just a basic recap of that. Your mindset is the most important thing when it comes to trading. Yes, you can have the best strategy in the world. You could literally have the best strategy out there and you still will fail if your mindset is not there. You have to have that discipline. Discipline and patience are the most important thing. If I trade everything outside of my strategy, then I'm not following my strategy. Even though if I hand you the best profitable strategy in the world, if you don't know how to execute it towards that strategy and you execute it off your emotions, you're not going to be profitable. You can't execute based off emotions. You have to execute based off your discipline and the plan itself. I'm not going to build a house without the blueprint, right? You need the blueprint in order to use those tools that you have available to make the house. You need both the blueprint and the tools. You have the best strategy out there. You have all the tools out there. And now you have the plan. All you got to do is just follow the blueprint. And if you don't follow it correctly, the house is going to crumble as soon as you touch it. And that's the same thing that happens to your account portfolio. So hopefully this video kind of helped you guys. If it did, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Hey you, yes you. Listen, if you guys are not in my Discord chat room where I live trade every single morning, post all the zones, all the key levels, everything that I'm looking at for the day, post 3 to 5 lessons per week to teach you guys the exact strategy that I use that allows me to consistently bank on SPY every single day. That has helped thousands and thousands of students become profitable traders around the world. We got people in the UK, people in Canada, people in the United States. The best part is that you guys can join this chat room as well. All you guys have to do is click the link in the bio, or you guys can message me on Instagram if you guys have any questions. Pop it up right here, and I hope to see you guys in there. Peace.
Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up.